Hi guys, welcome back to RBC Talk. So just want to talk about what happened in today's market quickly. So I'm going to talk on both Nifty, Bank Nifty together so that we will have a sync on against each other. And I'm pretty sure if you would have followed this, you would have made some good money today. And I know market is actually kind of flat. If you look at overall, market is like Nifty is only minus 60 points and Bank Nifty is minus 100 points. So that is nothing compared to what we are seeing in the recent days, like plus 500, minus 500. At the end of the day, closing at minus 900 or like plus 1,000 points kind of. I think in the Bank Nifty part. Okay, so. Forget about all these now. We are not really worried about what happened end of the day, but during the market intraday, what level worked best for us, right? So if you remember when the market opened here, and okay, so this is actually the first candle. It's a positive. We clearly communicated to the all of you in the group that once uh, cross this level, in fact, actually, if you see, this is a high level. Here, we clearly communicated once it sustains the momentum, then we go for long because there is a reversal, clear reversals at these levels. So these lines are I added new here just to give an indication how these lines are important. So these numbers are ranking of the last 200 candle volumes. So where we see this kind of right? So where see some this doesn't make any sense, okay, because there is a fall here, right? But here, if you see the 40 indicates the highest kind of like in the last 200 candles. What's the volume? You can see in the top 8 million shares. Here, if you see, this is the 2.76. So in terms of the ranking, the higher the number, the higher the volume. Okay, that is how I keep a track of everywhere what is happening. Okay, so now coming back to this, after the first candle, the momentum actually not able to cross this, and there is a serious, like, strong push towards the down. But we suggested don't go short below this unless it breaks this level, right? Because we know that these levels are going to act as a strong support. And we clearly, like as we discussed, there is an push towards upside. And once this cross, you would have expected a further upside, right? But here, when we see that there is a clear momentum which is going to take up towards this, we suggested to go for this, and we would have made some money at least without any difficulty, right? So this is one good opportunity, and this is another opportunity. Okay, and I'm not seeing any other opportunity after this. Okay, there is a reversal. If you would have taken the PE, it took so long. The premium, even though from here, if you see 24, 687 to 24 596, right? So close to around like 90 points down, but the premium, we didn't see in a good premium rise here, mainly because there are sometimes yes, but then all that growth has been actually taken up here and again. So there is an opportunity overall, but I would say first upper one and two. I traded only these two, and after that, I'm kind of like in a silent. I'm not really excited about this flat market. That's why there are not many posts in terms of an index opportunity. There is another thing. If you look at the Bank Nifty part, okay. So in the Bank Nifty, let me make it big. So this is the first candle. This is the push, but the level again made like reversal from here. There is a 53,650 to 53,400. Okay, I'm not sure we're taking it on PE side because there is a monthly expiry and the prices are also on a high. But here, definitely on the Nifty side, there is a good opportunity, right? When we see Nifty is actually reversing here, and Bank Nifty movement is much faster. Actually, if you see. You see this cursor sync, right? You are able to see the cursors syncing on the both the sides. So this is a candle, there is a reversal here, right? And from here, 53,396 to this, the momentum is much faster compared to the Bank Nifty momentum, right? So this is the one. And after that, when there is a Nifty reversal, this fall is also easy thing. Because, okay. If you ask me why we didn't post anything about this fall, I see a flat here and I see one, two supports here. So only this will continue if there is no retracement here. I see that, okay, so there is an opportunity here, but immediately there is a retracement and there is a reversal here, right? So I see it's not a right place to take any trade, even though you see a fall off around like, 200 points. I agree, but personally, I didn't take this trade here, so I don't want to share anything without me getting convinced. Like, okay, we can take the trade, right? Usually, I share what I trade. That's how I work, and that's how I suggest to anyone, right? But here there is an opportunity. But because if you see, Nifty seems to be more on a flat here. Again, I go back here. If you see, this is the momentum. Here is all flat. Here there is a fall. So I'm not sure, like because of the support, Nifty there is a possibility of reversal, which I don't want to take a risk in Bank Nifty. So kind of like I closed it after 1 o'clock, not really looking for any opportunity. And that is the time actually I suggested the stock uh, Shiva Mills, right? The Shiva Mills we clearly communicated, okay, so it's around 103, and I think in few minutes we are seeing it's touching 116, right? 20% up. And the end of the day, yeah, it has come down to 15%, but still that level is still being maintained. Right? You guys actually lost anything and made some money out of these today's opportunities. And wait for the market plan for tomorrow and the Nifty and Bank Nifty. I'll make it a separate video and upload it in the morning. And hope that will help you to actually plan your trades as per the levels. Right? Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.